Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome to our academy. Let me tell you, the message today is how to make $1 million fast in this recession. And the best thing is to short the housing market, to short the real estate market. And have a look at the charts. And I'm advising you, trade these DRV. It's a reversal. It's called Direction Daily Real Estate Bear, and it's 3x shares, like it's accelerated 3 times. So it's a reversal. When the real estate market goes down, this goes up. So that's why I'm asking you to buy this DRV. But the fastest way to make that million, it's go borrow a few thousands. Don't be afraid. In this market, it's impossible to go wrong, but from time to time counter bet your trade. And let me tell you how you do it. You go and talk to your broker, and one of my brokers is Interactive Brokers. You know, it's very well known. Go in here, go on their platform, again, Interactive Brokers. I go in here, I punch in DRV, and it tells me that today it's $68.45. It's up $4 and something. And the best thing is in here, I will buy few calls. So this is a reversal. I'm coming in here. I'm waiting for the prices to show up. It will show in few minutes. And I will buy, have a look, 55 call, it's $13.80. Okay, I'm thinking again, the price is $68.85. Again, watch out, these are very risky trades, but again, counter bet with a different thing. Place a bet on DRV, and after it goes your way, after a few days, counter bet. Like place another trade, let's say on VIX, and short the VIX. VIX, it's you Google it. It's another index that shows volatility. All right. So have a look. DRV. It will expire on October 21st. So today, September 29. I have roughly, and it's written here, 22 days of trading. Okay? And just to show you that I'm doing this, I'm going in here, okay? And I'm buying 70 call. And 70 call, I'll buy at $5.40. I'm expecting to go over 75. I'm expecting to go in 21 days over 80. I will make money, so I'm just showing you that I'm buying 2 contracts. I want 2 contracts. It will cost me $540 times 2, so it's $1,080, 1080. Again, quantity 2, price, I'll put a price in here, 540, 5.40, it's here, have a look, and I go submit, okay, and I go override and transmit, and I'm expecting this to be filled, the order, okay? So what did I do? I placed a bet, it's an order. I placed a bet that in the next 22 days, this DRV, like the real estate market, the housing market will go down. So this DRV will go over probably $75. So I bought, have a look. I'm going in here and I go live and I just tell you, DRV October 21st, I'm buying 2 contracts, okay, 70 call, which means that I'm betting, and it cost me $5.40, that it will go over 70, okay, and it's on, okay. So that's kind of it. Remember, everything it's about our channel. It's entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right. So talk to your broker. Go in here and try to do the similar trades. Whatever you feel, just accelerate your trades using options. That's why it's the fastest way to make some millions. Okay. Have a look. I'm going Tesla. Okay. TSLA. If I want to place another order, I'm going in here. I go TSLA, okay, and it shows me that it's down $11, okay, the 276 to 276, okay, and if I'm thinking that it will go down, I will buy a put. Watch out, the puts, the bets that is going down, it's in here, and for just to give you an example, if I want 15 more days, because watch out, please. This is 22 days. Let's go 15 days. It will show me what happens on the October 14th. This contract expires in 15 days, okay? So I'm going in here, 260 put, and it shows me that will call me 655, 6.55 per contract. Multiply by 100. A contract is 100 shares. Again, it bets that it will go further down. And I click on these. Okay. And if I want to buy some of these, same story. I go buy. And I go quantity, whatever, how many I can afford, or I'll do it. Okay. And then I set up the price and probably 680 because it's okay-ish. And put them in here. When I want to close the position, so forget, okay, you go something. When you want to close the position, you sell the same option, okay? You sell, it will show up in here how many you own, and you sell them, you close the option. Or you let them expire, but they will exercise your options. Okay, for more info, just come to the academy, and remember, the academy, it's on Telegram. All the information, you'll have them in here, and it's t.me/hedge4. Okay, so the academy, it's t.me/hedge4. It should be here. Yes, so come to Telegram, use your laptop. Again, this is the fastest way to make $1 million now in recession. Short the real estate, short the housing market, because I'm telling you, you will see there are new types of homes in the market. There are foldable homes made by Americans, made by Chinese, made by Mexicans. You'll see a lot of European countries, they're making smaller foldable houses. They are very easy to be built, and they are cheaper. They go for around $10,000, $20,000, comparing to a huge regular house that will cost you $700,000 to build. All right. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a profitable day.